property cleaning done properly, you need the right kit. Introducing the V-TUF Rapid VSC Hot Washer Pressure Washer 4x10-inch heavy-duty wheels. Large filler cap for the diesel tank. Quick release, easy fit fittings. Hose reel sold separately. Ready to go. Diesel burner on. Blast off that dirt. Brush attachment sold separately. Roof cleaner kit, 42 feet, 12.8 meter carbon fiber telescopic pole with 300mm TUF turbo surface cleaner. Two deep clean jets, V-spin swivel technology. Hot water speeds up the cleaning process, requiring less pressure, can clean more delicate surfaces. Turbo nozzle to finish off the tricky parts. Deep penetration nozzle with a wider cleaning area. The sky's the limit with the V-TUF kit. Keep yourself safe with your feet on the ground.